let's move to the monomials, binomials, trinomials, quadrinomials, and polynomials. Okay, so we are going to talk about monomials, binomials, trinomials, quadrinomials, and then polynomials. Okay, so first understand the meaning of this. Mono means what? One. Okay, in the same way, bi means two, tri means three, quad means four, poly means many. Okay, so mono means one. So any algebraic expression which has one term, that is called monomial. Okay, if any algebraic expression has one term only, it is called monomial. Like if I am talking about the examples, then 2x, 5x square y, 7x cube, 9a cube b, these all are what? Monomials, because they contain only one term. Now binomials means exactly the algebraic expression containing two terms. So 2x plus 3y, this is an example of binomial. 3a minus 7b, this is also an example of binomial, because they contain two terms. Okay, now trinomials having three terms. So a plus b plus c, this is an trinomial. 7a minus 2 by 3b plus 8c, this is also an trinomial because they have three terms. Now quadrinomials means four terms. So a plus b plus c plus d, this is an example of quadrinomials. Now what are the polynomials? Polynomials means many, but generally monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, these are also considered as polynomial in general way. Okay, so binomial is also an polynomial, trinomial is also an polynomial, quadrinomial is also an polynomial. And then having many terms, like if there is any term like x raised to the power 5 plus x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, this will be also considered as polynomial. Okay, so I hope the picture is clear about monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, and polynomial. To understand these, you have to count the number of terms. Sorry, you have to count the number of terms, and on the basis of that, you can find out that these are monomial, binomial, trinomial. We can do the classification. Okay. Now let's move to our next questions, which are the trivies. On page number 231. So open your NCERT book and move to page number 231. I am also going to open now. Okay, I have got it. On page number 231 at bottom, you have to find out the coefficient. Okay. So first is 4x minus 3y, a plus b plus 5, 2y plus 5. Now we will try to find out the coefficient. Okay. So in the first term, in the first algebraic expression, have two terms, 4x and 3y. In the second has three terms, a, b and 5. And 2y plus 5 also have two terms, 2y and 5. So Here, coefficient of x is what? 4. And coefficient of y is what? 3. This is coefficient of y, okay, not equal to y. So coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is 3. Here, coefficient of a. What is the coefficient of a? There is no numerical factor here. So remember, a is never alone, it is always multiplied by 1. Okay? So what is the numerical coefficient here? 1. So coefficient of a is 1. Coefficient of b is also 1. And 5 is itself the constant term. Okay? In 2y plus 5, coefficient of y is 2. I hope the picture is clear about the coefficient. Now let's move.